At around 8:30 p.m., September 21, riots broke out at the intersection of Claro M. Recto and Quezon Boulevard. This is for purposes of geography, malapit sa Isitan, just across Isitan. During the riot, suspect Richard Francisco, 52 years old, a watch technician. As you all know, sa Recto, maraming pagawaan ng relo, mga maliliit na tindahan. Claimed that minors were trying to damage motorbikes and his business along the said street. In his attempt to protect his own property and business, he tried to use a case knife, yung pambukas ng relo. However, this resulted in the death of victim Justine Servo E. Ignacio, 15 years old, grade 10 student living in Rizal, Taguig, Barangay Rizal, Taguig. After the video was sent to the Manila Police District and follow-up operation of Manila Police District, the suspect was properly identified by our enforcement unit, and the suspect Richard Francisco, voluntarily surrendered himself to the authorities at Barbosa Police Station along A. Bautista Street, corner Escaldo Street, Quiapo, Manila. Of course, the suspect was informed of his constitutional rights. And now, here we are. First, nalulungkot ako na may isa na namang magulang na umiiyak ngayon. Masakit mawalan ng anak. And I hope and pray for the soul of Justine Servo Ignacio. Second, I hope ang mga kabataan talaga kinig kayo sa